y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Jasmine's World, and I of course am your host, Jasmine. And if you're interested in seeing how a skunk stripe became this vibrant and complements my skin tone, this darker complected girl, so well, keep watching. This is definitely the video for you.
Alright y'all, we are starting on day 4 hair. As you can see, it's still pretty defined, a little bit frizzy but not too bad. I am starting off with the Color Blast from Curls Unleashed in the color Peachtree, which I already know how it works and how vibrant the colors are. You can find them at Target. I am parting my hair very precisely because I want it to be an actual skunk stripe. I am nervous because I'm actually going out my house like this, and whenever I'm doing something different, whenever I'm doing something different, I get nervous. So I'm just showing y'all how I'm going to section off each part so that I can make sure that we don't have any bleeding. Alright y'all, so I am choosing to use gloves because I do have on acrylics right now, and I am not trying to have the inside of my nails look orange. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right here, and I'm about to start sectioning and applying. Also y'all, I forgot to time lapse, so yeah, sorry. If y'all didn't already know, this is what Peachtree looks like straight out of the container, and I am working in smaller portions of the product just simply because I don't want to put too much. You can always add more. It's always less is more first, and then if you need more, more is more. As you can see, I did kind of get a whole piece on that back portion of my hair, but it's okay because I'm going to fix it. I'm literally going to just rub it out before it dries. As you can see, I just finished the first half. So right now I am just rubbing the product in my edges as well as my part because I need for this to look real. I need people to think that I actually bleached my hair. And yeah, I'm going for shock. I want my mom to be speechless when she sees this. So I want it to look real. All right, y'all, we are on the last section on the second half, and just keep watching for my initial reaction.
Okay, so here's the thing. I don't hate it. I think that it's gonna take some getting used to for me. I kind of like it, but I just feel like my hair is so black that the contrast is crazy. Like it's like black blonde, black blonde, you know what I'm saying? I think it looks good mixed in with the rest of my hair. I'm going to add some highlights just to give it a little bit more cohesiveness throughout my head, so it's not just like, you know what I'm saying? Which is, I guess, what a skunk stripe is supposed to be. But I don't know if I'm scared. I feel like everyone that I talk to doesn't really like it, or they feel like I need a lighter color or something. I don't know, but we're gonna see what happens. Okay, so let me tell y'all something. I was so nervous when I got done and people didn't like it, but this is really growing on me and I legitimately like it. Like, y'all, I feel so cute. Like, I love this. Like, I've been looking at this for months now, and I was like, you know what? We're gonna give it a try. This is literally my fall color. I love this color in the fall. Like, every time October rolls around, I'm like, ooh, color, 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 color. So this is my spooky season look, I guess, but I love this. I think this is so pretty. If you ever want to try it before you buy it, you know what I'm saying, give it a test run before you truly decide. Use the hair wax. Like, it's totally worth it. Like, let me get it so y'all can see it one more time. This is what it looks like, and I think they've started selling this in Target. It's the ORS Color Blast, and it looks really messy because, you know, when you are doing your hair, it can kind of get, and y'all, it looks orange in the thing, but like, of course, on black hair, it's gonna look, and this is my natural hair color, but of course, on darker hair, it's gonna look a little bit more like honey blonde. So that's why I got this color. But y'all, like, it's worth a try. I think it's so cute. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend. So hey y'all, thank you guys so much for watching yet another one of my videos. I hope that it was helpful as well as educational for you guys, and if so, please don't hesitate to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can be notified every time I post new content. Have a blessed day.